Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to work with a piecewise function to define some limits. So let's begin. We're going to graph the piecewise function here, beginning with the piece on the top. When x is less than -2, we're graphing this parabola. I think it's important to start at -2. So I'm going to plug in -2, and it looks like at a y value of 3. So I'm going to plot -2, 3, but I'm using an open circle. The reason I'm using an open circle is because there is no equal to underneath that inequality. Now I'm going to graph the rest of this function, but only to the left of -2. So I see it's a parabola, turns down, has a vertex at -3, 4. So -3, 4 would look like this. And remember, it's a parabola turning down. So I can plot a few more points, but they're going to look something like that. Now let's look at this piece on the bottom. Again, I'm going to plot the point at -2. So when I plug in -2 for the second piece, it looks like I get 0. So that means I put an open circle at -2, 0. And this is a line with a slope of -1/2. So I'm going down 1, run 2, down 1, run 2, down 1, run 2. And remember, I'm only graphing to the right. So my graph looks something like that. Let's address the limits then. The first one says, what is the limit as x approaches 2? I think that's a -2. Let's just safely make that a -2. What's the limit as x approaches -2 from the right? So friends, I'm coming from the right side of this graph. My eye is traveling along this portion. I'm saying, what are the y values approaching? The y values are approaching 0. Look at the second one. As x approaches -2 from the left, so I'm coming from this piece of the graph and I'm coming into -2. It looks like my y values are getting closer to +3. And then number 3 says, okay, well then what's happening from both sides as x approaches -2? Well, friends, what's happening is we're getting like this, right? This side's going to one value, this side's going to another value. So if I'm asking you which value are they approaching from both sides, that's a does not exist. In order for this one to exist, they have to come to the same value. So if they come to two different values, it's a does not exist.